How to start drop servicing, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to get started with drop servicing. So let's get into it. Now, what is drop servicing and how does it work? Well, let's say a lot of people have heard about drop shipping, but what is drop servicing? Drop servicing is basically providing a service that needs to be fulfilled by a client and using that service as a business model and saying that you will provide that service. And once you have received the request for the service, you're going to just outhand that or outsource the service to someone else. So you're going to ask someone else to accomplish the task, and then you will be the service provider, and then you will send the results back and to the client, and then you will be a drop servicer. So that is how simple and easy it is to explain drop servicing. It is basically the service version of drop shipping because obviously like when you're buying physical products, it's called drop shipping. But for a simple service that you are providing, or you are outsourcing your services to someone else, you're maybe running a media agency or something along those lines, then you are going to be doing a drop servicing agency. Now, if we take a look at the different ways that you can start your own drop servicing website, that is that you don't actually have to build your own website to get started with drop servicing. If you want to get started with drop servicing, your best bet would probably be to get started with Fiverr or Upwork. And the reason that I'm saying that is because drop servicing is a very difficult job, and you're going to need a lot of people off of Fiverr or any other platform to get started with actually, completing the tasks that you want to get done as a basic drop servicing provider. So you're going to go on to Fiverr or Upwork and take a look at the tasks that have a lot of saturation. So let's say if we take a look at logo design probably has a lot of saturation. So you can just, instead of, adding like a simple logo, you can create something along the lines of, hey, I am someone that is providing, three-dimensional logos, and just make the logo slightly more three-dimensional, and you will get free advertising. So that is how simple and easy it is to find a very simple and profitable way to make money with advertising and with pig ears and with cat ears. You can still do that. So if we take a look at the other services that you could provide, you can go on to Upwork as well. Take a look at Find Work and take a look at the popular work categories. Then go on to Fiverr or even Upwork and search for the whatever is the most trending, most popular thing that people are demanding. Let's say people are, taking a look at landing page designs. A lot of people are looking for landing page designers. What you're going to do is you're going to list yourself as a landing page designer, or you're just going to be like, hey, I provide the service of creating your landing page. And then what you're going to do is, after you have done that, you would actually go ahead and give the landing page information and all of that to the client that they want, and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to do drop servicing. You're not going to be working. Instead, you're going to hire someone off of Fiverr, and then once that person has built the landing page, you're just going to forward it to your actual client. Now, if we take a look at drop servicing, then you definitely should start with Aberlo. Aberlo is a good platform for you to get started with to create your own drop servicing business. They do focus a lot on drop shipping as well. So if you want to get started with drop servicing or drop shipping, then it is a good platform for you to get started. And there are a few key aspects you need to keep in mind when you're starting off your business in drop servicing. There needs to be link building, guest posting, ad copyright, video creation, video editing, content creation, graphic design, social media management, and other things included in your resume for basic drop servicing jobs, because it's a pretty essential thing. And if you are going to drop servicing as a path, a career path, or as something along those lines, make sure to choose your niche wisely, and then find and train your team of service providers. If you're looking, like if you hire someone from Fiverr and you've worked with them a couple of times, then you can hire them full time as well, or just hire them occasionally. But make sure you are hiring people that are worthwhile when you are doing a Fiverr drop servicing gig. Now, after that, you also have some other rules that you need to keep in mind, is that Let's say that if you have someone that you are choosing off of Fiverr to add to your employees or to the people that are completing the service, and you find out that, this person lives very far away, then it might be a bit difficult for you to communicate with times as well. So make sure that you are able to effectively communicate the times that you are going to be providing the service. So you don't want to you don't want to list your service as a 24-hour service, like where you would deliver the results within 24 hours, while the actual person, the freelancer that is supposed to complete the work, has asked you to give you at least like a 2 days heads up. So that is another thing to keep in mind when starting a drop servicing business. Now, after that, you have to build your brand, which is to build your website, your canvas, your aesthetic, the mood boards, the coloring of your website as well. And then you also have to do some marketing to get started, to make sure to popularize your items and to popularize the things that you're doing. So for that, you can do referral marketing, content marketing, and social media marketing. And it is a absolutely legal thing, so don't worry about that whatsoever. Now, with drop servicing, your options are endless. You can provide any service as a drop servicing service. You can even create your own website where you can be like, hey, you are a seamstress and you provide seamstress services, where you would just take the dresses from your clients, get them fixed via a seamstress, and then you can just send back the item or the dress. So drop servicing is going to give you a lot of leeway, a lot of flexibility, so you can provide any kind of service. A lot of the times I would recommend that you take a look at the saturated things and create a more specialized or a more refined version of whatever is the saturated thing to get more profits in your drop servicing business. Now, these are just some of the basics of drop servicing. If you need to know more, then you can just click on Umbrello and get started with Umbrello, or you can just even go on to Wix. And it's a very simple and easy registration process on Wix. You can just enter your email address and your password to get started. We're going to continue on with our account over here. And then you can just create a simple website about these services. You can maybe add these services that you're providing, such as content writing maybe, or content reproduction or something like that. And what you're going to do is you're simply just going to use those services as a way to further the portfolio. And on your website, you're going to add all of the services that you are providing, and this will help you in getting more marketing. You can simply add all of your clients over here and refer all the people into that specific website. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with your own drop servicing business in this year. Make sure to get started with Umbrello and follow these tips and tricks to get started with your drop servicing business, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Keep these few tips in mind whenever you are looking to create your own drop servicing business and advertise your business in a very effective and interesting manner, to make sure that you have the best outreach and all of the people that are providing the same service as well. Now, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.